The Orotig Canova 50 Laser Engraving Machine is a powerful all-in-one solution for jewellers looking to engrave and cut metal designs with speed, precision and ease. From logos to text and intricate cutouts, this compact machine delivers exceptional results on a wide range of metals. So what metals can the Canova engrave and cut? It's compatible with precious and non-precious metals including gold, silver, platinum, steel, aluminium and more. Whether you're cutting thin sheet metal or engraving designs, this Canova handles it with accuracy. What thicknesses can it cut? The Canova 50 can cut up to 1mm in silver and other soft metals, perfect for charms, tags and components. Can it engrave the inside and the outside of rings? Yes, so the machine includes a dedicated ring attachment and the software allows you to easily switch between inner and outer engraving. It even auto-tilts to match the ring's curve for a precise finish. What is the difference between Magic CNC engraving machines and the Orotig Canova 50? Magic machines use a diamond tip or rotary tool to physically engrave the surface, ideal for deep mechanical engraving. The Canova uses a laser beam which is contact-free, faster and more detailed, making it ideal for fine logos, images and custom cutouts. Can it do both engraving and cutting? Yes, so this machine does both. Switch between the mark mode for engraving and cut mode for slicing through sheet metal. Is it beginner friendly? Definitely, the Marko software is easy to use with visual previews and layer controls to make your workflow smooth, even if you're new to laser tech. Book a demo online here or visit our stores to see the Canova in action. Cut, engrave and personalise all with this one machine.